Today we are presenting top 10 material scientists in the world in the year of 2022. So in the list at number 10, Li Jiang. He is from Chinese Academy of Sciences, China. His basic research field is related to nanotechnology, composite materials and gene. His citation is more than 1,66,000. At number 9, Professor Pulikel M. Ajayan. His area of research is related to composite material, organic chemistry and nanotechnology. His citation is also more than 1,66,000. He belongs to Rice University, United States. He did his graduation from reputed Indian University, Indian Institute of Technology, BHU. At number 8, P. Dong Yang. Currently he is working in University of California, Berkeley. His area of research is semiconductor, nanotechnology and organic chemistry. His citation is more than 2,02,000. At number 7, Jiangwo Yu. Currently he is working in Wuhan University of Technology, China. His citation is more than 1,47,000 and counting. His area of research is organic chemistry, catalysis and oxygen. At number 7, Professor George M. Whitesides. He is working in Harvard University, US. His area of research is organic chemistry, enzymes and quantum mechanics. He is especially published his research papers and research articles in the field of material science and chemistry, and both are highly cited, more than 2 lakhs in each. At number 5, Professor Yuan Zia. He is working in Georgia Institute of Technology, USA. He is published his article in material science field and it's more than 2,22,000 and counting. His area of research is nanotechnology, organic chemistry and quantum mechanics. At number 4, Professor Robert Langer. He is the professor working in MIT, US. His area of research is mainly in internal medicines, enzymes and gene. His research publications having very impressive citations, more than 2,18,000 and counting. At number 3, Professor Michael Gratzel. He is working in EPFL. His area of research is organic chemistry, quantum mechanics and oxygen. He published his research article mainly in two fields, material science and chemistry. He has very highly cited research papers and research articles, which is more than 5 lakhs as a combined. In the list, at number 2, Professor Yi Sui, working in Stanford University, and his research area is quantum mechanics, organic chemistry and nanotechnology. He also has very impressive citation in the field of material science, that is more than 2,86,000. In the top of the list, Professor Zonglin Wang, working in Georgia Institute of Technology, US. He is also published his research article mainly related to 3 research fields, quantum mechanics, nanotechnology and composite materials, and having very high H index, that is 299, and citation more than 3,91,000. Thank you very much for this useful content.